This is by no means a tutorial. It's more of watching me struggle through the process creating this look. And if you're into that, keep on watching. For today's look, I wanted to go with something more artsy. I was inspired by this picture from a creator by the name of By Danny. But then in her video, she credited Illuminati, which we all know and are familiar with. So the type of style that it is a mix of Expressionism, Fauvism, and like pop art. I had ChatGPT make me the inspo picture, I guess. So I'm gonna display all three of those right here. That was my inspiration. The colors I'm going to stick to are going to be close to this earring that I found right here. It's very cutesy, very artsy, very spring. I'm going to go in with this e.l.f. Poreless Face Primer. I'm going to go in with this primer because it's a silicone-based primer, and I want it to act as a barrier between my skin and the face paint I'm about to put on. Because in the past, those very specific face paints have stained my face. Apply a primer. Rub it in. I'm going to go in with this L'Oreal Magic Root Cover Up Spray in medium brown. I have a weird hairline and the paint never seems to be able to give me a good transition into my hairline. I'm going to bring my hairline out so I could reshape my face with the face paint. I don't know if that makes any sense. Like this. The paint tends to not seamlessly go into my hairline, and then the baby hairs create like a little gap and it looks really weird and I don't like it. From one makeup artist to another, do you have that problem? And if you do, what do you do to combat that? I'd like to know. Next, I'm going to go in with this Meron liquid makeup in yellow. I'm going to apply that onto my face. I forgot my ears. What else is new? I have this fan brush and I'm gonna cut out pieces of it. I trimmed it like this. I'm gonna go in with my Meron Paradise Makeup AQ 30 Color Pro palette. I'm gonna on my face. Ah! Well, that happened. I like that better. Yeah. This is white paint, but it's showing up as yellow. I don't know, kind of looks like trash right now. I don't even know if I could save it at this point. I know you came here to watch the full process, so please enjoy some royalty-free music while you do. I don't know if this is a trust the process or it's gonna come out like absolute garbage. I had high hopes though. I did. I'm gonna create the highlights where I want them to be and then I'll go back over. Now back to the music. feel like I've maxed out this brush, so I'm gonna move to my eyebrows with a different brush. I'm gonna see if I could get a little more control with this one. We're just gonna do black eyebrows. Can be Athena painting palette. And now I'm going to do the eyes. Now I'm going to go in with powder eyeshadows, get it to the closest match, and just pack it on. In this look, I'm not trying to blend the lines out, so I'm going to keep them as separate as possible. I'm going to do my liner with the Mehron painting palette. Let's see how it goes. I'm sorry, what? Artist? Makeup? That's me. Going to go with that Athena palette, do my lips. Gonna add accents with a very fine brush. If I go any longer at this, I am going to lose my mind. So I'm gonna go in with these lashes. Apply your lashes. Milani highly rated lash extensions tubing mascara. Apply your mascara. Painted my nostrils like they weren't already big enough. I feel like my natural eyeballs are like not doing it for me, so I will go ahead and put my dead eyes in for the millionth time, and then I'll put my accessories on and I'll be right back. Okay guys, this is the final look. Let me know what you think. I had my ups and downs, but overall I think I did okay. I think it looks artsy. I think if this was in a picture, I would buy it. Would you buy it? And if you've watched this far, I want you to know that I truly appreciate you and thank you so much for being here. I love you. Bye-bye.